Hello, Mr. Joshua. Good morning to you. We gave you an assessment and you performed very, very well. Congratulations. But there's one that you didn't get the answer, and that is, I think, number 2, that we gave you 2a plus 3b minus 7. This is an expression, and we gave you that a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 4. We asked you to solve this and you did not get the answer. So today we want to show you how to solve this. This is under what we call algebraic substitution. Algebraic substitution. In mathematics, what we call algebra is using anything to represent a number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Instead of writing something like 1, we can replace it with a, or we can also replace it with even a house. You can even draw a house. You can draw anything, any shape, and use a shape. Another thing, alphabet, anything we can figure out, you can use it to replace the one that is there. And that is what we call algebra in mathematics, using something else to represent a number. Now, what we do in algebraic substitution is to bring that thing that we use to represent a number, put it where the number is supposed to be. Then if there's any arithmetic like addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication we are supposed to do, then we do it and then we solve what we are supposed to solve. That is what we call algebraic substitution in mathematics. For instance, we can have a plus b. A plus b, a can be 1. They can tell us that a is equal to 1 and the b is equal to 2. Now what this means is that if you use 1 to put where the a is and use 2 to put where the b is, then we are going to have 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. The number can be negative or positive. For instance, you can also have minus 2. Now what this thing is now going to be is, if you have that b is equal to minus 2, if you have that a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 2, then this is going to be, if you use 1 to put where the a is, then we have 1, then plus, the plus must be there, then this one is minus 2. We put a bracket if we want to write that one that has minus 2. Now, if we put a bracket, it means that we have to multiply the one that is outside the bracket with the one that is inside the bracket. Now, the thing that is outside the bracket is plus. Then the one that is inside the bracket is minus 2. So, we are now going to have 1 plus times minus is minus. In mathematics, we have plus. When plus and plus are together, it will give us plus. But if you have plus and minus, if you bring plus and you bring minus together, it will always give us minus. Even if you bring the minus first before you bring the plus, minus and then plus, it will give us minus. Now this one is plus and then minus coming together, so it is going to give us minus. That is 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 means that you have 1, plus means the one you have, and minus means what you are owing. So you have 1 and you are owing somebody 2. You have to pay with the one you have, then and you will continue to owe the one that is remaining, which is you have 1 here and then you are owing this 2. If you pay with the one you have, now you are owing 1. Because it is owing, we put minus, that is minus 1. Now coming to the one we gave you, which is we gave you 2a plus 3b minus 7, and then we say that a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 4. How do we solve this? If a is equal to 2, then we use 2 to replace a inside the expression and use minus 4 to replace b in the expression. So we are now going to have 2 brackets, a is 2, then plus 3 brackets, b is minus 4, minus 4, minus everything minus 7. Now, there's something we call board mass. Board mass. What this means is that anytime you see different things put together like plus, minus, division, multiplication, and brackets, all of them put together, there is one that you have to do first before you do another one. You have to do the one in the bracket first, have to clear bracket first. Then if they say of means multiplication products, so you do the one that has of, then you do division, you do multiplication, you do addition, and subtraction is always the last thing for you to do. Now we follow that through. Now here, what it means is that we have to clear the brackets. If we are clearing the brackets, we start with this one. That is 2 times 2. It will give us 4. We have cleared this brackets. Now we come to this side. This is plus the 3 that is outside the bracket has plus, and what is inside the bracket has minus. That is plus and minus, and plus and minus will give us minus. That is 4 minus 3 times 4 is what? It is 12. Now minus 12, then minus 7. Now we collect like terms. Collecting like terms here means the one that is positive, we put it, and the ones that have negative, we combine them together. So we have 4, then this one has negative, and this one has negative. That is 12 and 7 minus 12 and 7 will give us minus 19. 4 minus 17. You have 14 and you are owing 19. So how many are you owing now? You will pay with the 4 that you have, then the remaining you'll be owing it, which is equal to minus 15. Minus 15. You have 14s and you are owing 19. So if you pay, you have minus 15. This is the answer and not 2 that you got. Thank you.